If you are an employee earning a monthly salary, listen carefully. You wake up early. You go to work every day. You exchange your time, your energy, and your focus for a fixed amount of money. Yet at the end of the month, you ask yourself the same question. Where did my salary go? The problem is not your income. The problem is the absence of a clear financial system. Money without a plan disappears. Money with structure creates freedom. Today, I want to share with you a simple, realistic, and powerful method to take control of your salary. It is called the 1/3, 1/3, 1/3 rule. This system is not about being rich overnight. It is about building control, discipline, and long-term stability. When your salary arrives, do not touch it emotionally. Do not rush to spend. Pause. Your first responsibility is not spending. Your first responsibility is organizing. Divide your salary into 3 equal parts. Each part has a mission. Each part has boundaries. This is how you stop living paycheck to paycheck. The first 1/3 of your salary is for your essentials. This money is dedicated to survival and stability. Rent. Basic food. Transportation. Electricity. Water. Internet. A basic phone plan. Nothing more. This category is not about comfort. It is about control. If your essential expenses consume more than 1/3 of your income, then your lifestyle is too expensive for your salary. That is not failure. That is information. Information gives you power. You either reduce expenses, or you increase income. But you never ignore the numbers. When your needs are controlled, your stress decreases. When your stress decreases, your decisions improve. The second 1/3 of your salary is for your future. This is the most important part of the system. This money is not optional. This money is not negotiable. This money is for savings, protection, and growth. An emergency fund. Long-term savings. Investments. Debt repayment. Your future goals. The rule is simple. Pay yourself first. The moment your salary hits your account, move this 1/3 away. Separate it. Automate it. Protect it. Do not wait until the end of the month. If you wait, there will be nothing left. Savings is not what you do after spending. Savings is what you do before spending. Without savings, one unexpected event can destroy years of effort. With savings, you gain peace of mind, confidence, and options. Your first mission with this money is safety. Build an emergency fund. Start with 1 month of expenses. Then 3 months. Then 6 months. This is not about fear. This is about strength. When you have savings, you are not desperate. When you are not desperate, you make better choices. The final 1/3 of your salary is for your lifestyle. This is your enjoyment money. Eating out. Entertainment. Shopping. Subscriptions. Hobbies. Personal desires. This money is guilt-free. You are allowed to enjoy your life. You are not a machine. You are a human being. The difference is that now, enjoyment has limits. Limits create freedom. Because your needs are covered. And your future is protected. You can enjoy this money without anxiety or regret. Most people fail financially not because they earn too little, but because they lack discipline. They save what is left. There is never anything left. They mix savings with spending. The money disappears. They wait for a higher salary. But bad habits grow with higher income. If you cannot manage a small salary, you will not manage a large one. Money exposes habits. It does not fix them. This system works because it is simple. No complicated budgets. No extreme sacrifice. No financial stress. Just clarity. Clarity creates consistency. Consistency creates results. Over time, this system changes your identity. You stop reacting to money. You start directing it. Month after month, something powerful happens. Your stress decreases. Your confidence increases. Your savings grow. Your choices expand. You stop surviving. You start building. You stop fearing emergencies. You start planning opportunities. This is how financial stability is created. Not through luck. Not through shortcuts. But through habits repeated every month. Your salary is not small. Your system is weak. Fix the system, and the results will follow. Start this month. Start with what you have. Be consistent. Your future self is watching. And your future self will thank you. And one day, you will notice something different. You are no longer counting days until the next paycheck. You are no longer anxious at the end of the month. Money stops being a source of fear and becomes a tool. Because now, you are in control. With time, the 1/3 you save begins to work for you. You see progress. You see growth. You see proof that discipline pays. Small amounts, saved consistently, turn into real security. Not overnight. Not magically. But surely. At this stage, your mindset changes. You stop asking, how can I spend more? You start asking, how can I use money smarter? You begin to think long-term. You begin to plan. You begin to invest in yourself. Skills. Knowledge. Opportunities. Money starts supporting your vision instead of limiting it. Eventually, you reach a powerful moment. Your savings give you options. You can say no to toxic environments. You can walk away from bad decisions. You can choose growth over fear. This is what financial freedom really means. Not luxury. Not expensive cars. But choice. As your income increases, the system stays the same. You don't change the rules. You scale them. More income means stronger savings, better investments, higher quality life. But the foundation remains unchanged. Structure before comfort. Discipline before desire. There will be months when it feels difficult. Unexpected expenses. Pressure. Temptation. This is where most people quit. But discipline during hard months is what separates those who struggle from those who build wealth. Consistency beats motivation every time.